Hello, good evening. This is Jason Wong. Today we'd like to share about this Pantech group holding Berhad. And Pantech group holding Berhad is enter into the collection ending mode. Okay, and you're looking at this chart formation, right? So that Pantech enter into the worst case scenario, which is on the 2014 August, right? And there's a dip down, go down, right? You look at here, right? This dip, right? There's a rebound, then it's trying to um making a new low, but I don't think so. Is a success by looking at the chart here, and it keeping forming like a sideways, and from this formation, right? I would say that if I use the four stage analysis, right, we are enter into the stage one, right? Looking at this box, right, and today is like starting to like trading above this level, right, which is like 50 cent, right, and with this station, right, we are confirming that Penta is enter into stage two. So typically, stage two is a um, moving up. This is typically is a very stiff curve movement. It's kicking in because of this it breaking away from this consolidation. And if you look at the Elliott wave, right, perspective, right, typically we are enter into starting to kick in the wave number three. You look at here, right, this is wave one, right, and this is wave two, right, wave two collection, right, and wave three is kicking in, right. So, and it's quite aligned to this Elliott wave, kind of aligned to the four stage analysis, like this example. This is a stage one, okay, and stage three is marking up, right. And as long as that the concern is how far this stock can go, typically I use like Elliott wave, one of the two, which is what we call the Fibonacci um, projection, right. Looking here, if look at the big trend, typically the first level of wave 3 is of C is like 63 cent and followed by 75 cent. If I'm looking at the short term, right, the target will be at 55 cent, right. Okay, then go to 60 cent, and as long as the concern of the resistance level, I would say we would like to pay attention at this level, which is like um let me check that. In fact I draw just now, right. Yeah, it is at this level, right. 52 and a half followed by 55 cent and 58 cent. And the other way of analyze this stock, right, is also break away from the triangle, right. We have two triangle here. One is a big triangle, right. You say you just break away from this triangle, typically the target will be reached at about 60 cent. And the smaller triangle we can see over here also, looking here, right, it's also just break away from the triangle. And let monitor this stock, and I anticipating this stock likely going to try 52 and a half cent. Once it break above this, you go to 55 cent, 55 cent, and followed by 58 cent. Thank you very much. Hi, thanks for watching my video. If you would like to have first-hand information, so I'm suggesting you to like my Facebook, okay, by clicking a like on, then followed by enable this following mode, right, which is from to see first, right. Click on the see first. Normally you can see original is default, but you can click to the see first, and the notification, right, you click on it instead of all on or off, right. You click to all on. So on top of that, I have a couple of avenue for you to get my update, right. For instance, just like what I'm saying just now, you can search a KLC technical analysis, right. You can lie on us, right, enable the see first, then to enable all on. Okay, and if you are in a mobile phone, right, basically you can click like and followed by following, change from the default, right, to see first, right, so click on the see first. And I also create the avenue in the YouTube because of Facebook sometime that video not that clear, so that you can follow my YouTube by subscribe, and also by clicking the turn on subscription, so that whenever I release a YouTube, you can have the information. Thank you.